Shalimar Ice Cream Parlor and Bakers. Eggless cakes are available here near 2 Town Police Station, Mahbubnagar. Al Bake, the taste of Middle East, near Rural Police Station, Srinivas Colony, Mahbubnagar. Afghani House, discover the taste of Afghan culture. Shah Sahab Gutta Road, Mahbubnagar. अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मेट्रो न्यूज अपडेट्स में आपका इस्तकबाल है। आइए बढ़ते हैं आज की ताज़ा खबर पर।
महबूबनगर के फलाह हाई स्कूल नज़द मलबार न्यूटन में आज साइंसी नुमाइश का इनेकाद किया गया। इस नुमाइश का आगाज आज सुबह 9 बजे किया गया और दोपहर 1:30 बजे तक कामयाबी के साथ रोबे अमल लाया गया। इस नुमाइश को करस्पॉन्डेंट सैयद फहीमुद्दीन और प्रिंसिपल सैयद कलीमुद्दीन की निगरानी में अंजाम दिया गया। इस नुमाइश में मोहम्मद यूसुफ प्रिंसिपल सनशाइन हाई स्कूल और तलबा ने भी शिरकत की। इसके अलावा वालिदैन ने भी शिरकत करके इस नुमाइश को कामयाब बनाया। साइंसी नुमाइश में तमाम तलबा ने पुरजोश मुजाहरा करते हुए अपने मॉडल्स के ताल्लुक से तमाम मालूमात फराहम की और जमात नहुम के तलबा की जानिब से खून का मुआयना ब्लड टेस्ट भी किया गया, जिसने नुमाइश में खासी अहमियत हासिल की। इसके अलावा दीगर तलबा ने सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, सोलार सिटी, किडनी मॉडल, ईयर मॉडल, आई मॉडल, ह्यूमन लंग्स मॉडल, फॉरेस्ट सीजन्स, डिफोरेस्टेशन, हाइड्रोलिक पावर, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, ल्यूनार सोलार इक्लिप्स, नर्वस सिस्टम, डीएनए मॉडल के अलावा दीगर मॉडल्स भी पेश किए। इस नुमाइश को तलबा, वालिदैन, असातिज़ा और इंतजामिया के मेंबरान की अनथक कोशिशों की वजह से कामयाब बनाया गया और शिरकत करने वालों ने तमाम तलबा की काबिल कदर सताइश की, जो तलबा के लिए और साइंसी नुमाइश के लिए कामयाबी का बाइस बनी।
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are the students of 9th standard. Today our topic is hematology. Hematology means study of blood, in which we also provide a key feature blood group test. So firstly, we will show the step-by-step procedure how to do a blood group test. Shagufta, please come here. First step is sample preparation. We took the 3 drops. Now we will add antibodies. Firstly, anti-A to the first drop, anti-B to the second drop, and anti-D to the third drop. See, we added anti-A to the first drop, anti-B to the second drop and anti-D to the third drop. We will mix it now with separate toothpicks to avoid cross combination. Now we will observe. See, in anti-A it clotted and anti-B it clumped. In anti-D it clumped. So it is B positive. So B positive can give to B positive, AB positive and can receive from B positive, B negative, O positive or negative. And B positive, she is among 6% of worldwide people. Now, if you have less production of red blood cell, then you need to prefer dates. It is also a sunnah to eat. And then you need to prefer steak, spinach, chicken breast and many green vegetables. Also help in production due to its high beneficial benefits. And the third one, some more examples: pumpkin, broccoli, cheese and strawberry. This should be in minimum quantity, not in maximum quantity. So, and also worldwide 92.5% of people are of positive blood group, but 7.5 percentage of negative blood group. And you can see the microscopic image of the blood also. Still, the three main components are RBC, WBC, platelet. Thank you.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Alina Zoha.
My name is Samiha Fatima. We are the students of 7th grade. Today we would like to tell about our model of forestation and deforestation. In our presentation, we have shown the differences about afforestation and deforestation.
Let me explain what afforestation is. Afforestation is planting trees in area where there were no forest before. It helps to increase the number of trees on earth. Trees give us oxygen which is necessary for our life. Trees provide home for animals and birds. Trees give us oxygen which is necessary for our life. Tree provide with us fruit, wood, medicines and fuel. Afforestation make a environment neat, clean, green and healthy.
Now I will tell what deforestation is. Deforestation is if we cut down this tree in a large area, it causes deforestation. Deforestation increases carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Trees are removed for human activities like construction of buildings, roads and factories. It leads to lost wildlife and natural habitat. It disrupts the water cycle and reduces rainfall. Indigenous and forest-dependent communities are affected. Natural disasters like floods and landslides become more common. Preventing deforestation helps protect the environmental and future generation. Raise your voice against deforestation.
Save forest, forest will save you.
Thank you.
My name is Rabia Fatima. I am from 8th standard.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Sabat Abbasum of 8th class. Our topic is about human circulatory system.
The heart. The heart is the main organ in the circulatory system. It is a pumping organ that pumps blood to various parts of our body.
The heart is mesodermally derived organ, is situated on the thoracic cavity in between the two lungs, titled to the left but protected by double wall membranous bag.
The size of the heart is approximately the size of a person's face, and the shape of the heart is somewhat like a pear. The anterior part of the heart or the upper part of the heart is wider, and the posterior part of the heart or the lower part of the heart is narrower. The doctor who is related to the heart is called a cardiologist. The heart is protected by the rib cage. The heart is covered or wrapped in a two-layered membrane called pericardium. The small space between these two layers is filled with pericardial fluid, which protects the heart from shocks and keeps it moist and lubricated. The heart has 4 chambers. The upper chambers are called the auricles and the lower chambers are called the ventricles. There are 2 auricles and 2 ventricles.
Vena cava. Vena cava are the large veins that brings blood to the heart. It carries deoxygenated blood to the right auricle. There are 2 vena cavas, superior vena cava, inferior vena cavas.
Blood vessels. Blood vessels are flexible tubes that transport blood in our body. There are 3 types of blood vessels in our body: arteries, veins and capillaries.
Pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery transport deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. When the blood gets oxygenated, it travels through the pulmonary veins and opens into left auricle. Then it goes to left ventricle and goes to aorta. Aorta arises from the right corner of a left auricle and pumps oxygenated blood to the body. Functions of aorta is distributing oxygenated blood to the entire body. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aisha Fatima of 3rd class. And my name is Tuba Fatima of 3rd class. Our topic is seasons. There are 4 seasons in India: summer, rainy, winter, spring. Summer season. Summer is very hot season. We usually wear cotton clothes during this season. Summer is the hottest season, marked by long sunny days and short nights. The sun shines very bright in summer season. Mangoes grow in summer. Winter season. Winter is a cold season. It comes after rainy season. Day are short, night are long in winter. On some days of winter, the sky is cloudy, but on most days it is clear. The environment is covered with thick fog in this season. We wear thick and woolen clothes in winter season. In some places it snows and everything looks white and beautiful. People wear warm clothes. Rainy season. The rainy season brings clouds. The earth feels fresh and green. We often wear raincoats to stay dry. The rainy season or monsoon is a pleasant season. Sky becomes overcast and cloudy.
My name is Samira Mahvi.
My name is Safura Begum.
Student of 7th grade. We are presenting a model on the topic of structure of human eye.
Sclera, a white tough outer layer providing structure. Retina, light sensitive inner layer with photoreceptor cells that convert light into electrical signals. Conjunctiva, thin membranes over the sclera keep eyes moist. Cornea, transparent front part that reflect eyes moist.
Light reflects off object and enter the eye passing through the cornea and then the pupil. The cornea and lens work together from aerial inverted image on the retina. Then the brain processes the signals and form the picture you see. Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Muhammad Ayatullah of 8th grade.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself I am from 8th grade. Today we are going to present a model which is basically a game which is based on conduction of electricity and electric circuit.
Let's learn some science with fun. Badar game is an interactive challenge for quick response, focusing on speed and accuracy of involving electronic system.
Objective: move a metal of attached to a handle along a complex wire, cross without touching it.
Mechanism: the wire and loop are the part of an electric circuit with the battery and a buzzer.
How it's work: when the loop touches the wire, it causes circuit, allowing electricity to flow through the buzzer, make it sound. Jazakallah.
So, are you ready for the play the game?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Sayyid Kalimuddin Asad, Principal and Correspondent of Falah High School. Today we are conducting science exhibition in our school. Today is 9th January of 2026. Students have exhibited near about 43 models today, in which the effort is made by the teachers as well as students. From 3-4 days they are continuously preparing their models. Many working models are also present today, such as brain as well as heart, kidney, and blood group test also is being done today by our students. So the parents also are coming here to visit, as well as the students of other schools. They are being tested, their blood group is being set to them free of cost. As well as the students are explaining the models perfectly, like heart, how the heart functions and how many valves are present and what are their functions, what happens, what precautions should be taken to get rid of the diseases before itself, as well as kidney, about dialysis. Many students have got clear idea. We have found some students who were somewhat less regarding their academic performance, but we have seen here they are exhibiting in a proper way. They have learned near about 10 to 15 sentences of their model. They are explaining that. So I said to them that how are you in a position to explain this as you are somewhat less in your academic performance. Then I explained them that as you have involved in this totally, you have learned perfectly. In the same way you have to involve your academics also. So here I got a clear idea, and even the parents who are coming, they are saying to me that students are getting rid of their stage fear. They are in a position to speak to the parents, to the visitors. They are explaining. So they are very much happy because of the improvement in their skills. So here today in our school, as let me say about my school here, Falah High School, we are giving an Islamic environment in our school. The teachers are teaching them in an Islamic environment. Here the students offer Zohar prayer also in the school, and they have their lunch in an Islamic manner also. So many other, and they have the Ineqad subject as well as. So we are trying to focus on all the extracurricular activities also. because education is not only bookish knowledge, but education is change in the behavior. The behavioral change is called as education. So we are trying to concentrate on that. So Alhamdulillah, I want to say about the teachers, students as well as the parents who are visiting here. MashaAllah, they are encouraging the students and we have their blessings also. Alhamdulillah. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
नाजरीन, आप हमारे तमाम प्रोग्रामों का मुशाहिदा YouTube, Facebook और Instagram पर भी कर सकते हैं। अगर आप हमारा प्रोग्राम YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो मेट्रो न्यूज अपडेट्स को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और हमारे वेबसाइट www.metronewsupdates.com पर भी मुशाहिदा कर सकते हैं और देखते रहिए आपका अपना पसंदीदा चैनल मेट्रो न्यूज अपडेट्स।